Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to link a bank account to Coinbase. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to go to Play Store and search for Coinbase. Alright, so here you can see this application. What you have to do is install this application. Since I have installed, here you can see I have opened the application. So over here, to link the bank account, what you can do is first you can sign in or sign up, and once you do so, on the left hand side you'll be able to see three dots icon, and once you click there you'll get various options. From those options, what you have to do is click on add payment method. So this is described here step by step perfectly. So once you click on add a payment method, after you click on profile and settings, what you have to do is select your bank account, and over there what you have to do is follow your instructions related to the bank account. So once you do that, what you have to do is click on OK, and you'll see a confirmation once you make a successful bank transfer. So yeah, that's it. That is how you'll be able to add a bank account in your Coinbase. So it's really simple to link bank account to your Coinbase in simple steps. And if you encounter some problems, what you can do is leave comment down below, and I'll make sure to answer all of your queries. So that's it. That is how you'll be able to link your bank account to Coinbase. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.